What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for one of its good lock modules called Camera Assistant, which adds some cool new features. Now most of you guys are already aware of Camera Assistant module. This application has been integrated into the camera application itself on One UI. And this app enables us to customize the camera settings or the default camera application. Now let me show you where exactly this setting gets integrated. Let me open camera application. I'll tap on the settings. If you have already installed the Camera Assistant module, you will be able to see this option here, Camera Assistant. As you can see, I'll tap on this. You see there are many different features, many different switches which can be enabled to add some additional functionalities or to customize the features on the camera application. Now let me just close this. Let's go to the Galaxy Store. Let me show you what is this update all about. As you can see, in the change log, it says support version One UI 5.1 or higher. So you must have One UI 5.1 or higher to run these new features on your Galaxy phone. The supported model S23, S23 FE, S22, S21, S20, Note 20, Fold 5, Flip 5, Fold 4, Flip 4, Fold 3, Flip 3, Fold 2, and Flip. So on most of the flagship devices, these new features can be enabled. Now let's talk about the new features here. You can see the first one is optical quality crop zoom. 2x crop zoom shortcut has been added now with this all new update. This is just fantastic, guys. We can now enable 2x crop zoom shortcut on the camera application. Let me just go ahead and show you what exactly this is all about. I'll open the camera app. I'll go to these settings. I will open the camera assistant option here. Now here you see on the top it says 2x crop zoom shortcut. Add a 2x zoom shortcut to camera. This zoom uses a remote-sized crop of the high resolution sensor to match the quality of an optical lens. This is not an optical zoom. The software is going to crop the image to 2x and it will be almost close to an optical zoom quality when you enable this particular feature. Now let me go ahead and show you. Let me just first enable this feature here. I will go back. Let me open the camera. You can see we now have 2x crop here. I can tap on this and directly access 2x crop instead of sliding through this zoom option, zoom slider here to go to the 2x. We can directly tap on this to go to the 2x crop. Now this feature is a cool addition. Some time ago, if you remember, Samsung added a 2x portrait zoom option on the Galaxy S23 series, which is still missing on the S22 series devices. But on the S23, we have got this 2x portrait zoom option. And now through the camera assistant, we have got 2x crop zoom for the regular photos as well. Now, if you don't want it, you can just go to the settings, tap on camera assistant, and just disable this option. Now we have disabled this. You can see now we do not see a 2x option here. We just see 0.6, 1x, 3x, and 10x. That is the first new feature we have got. Let's see what the change log says here. It says only the name description phrase has been changed. So this means this feature may be already available on your phone through the camera assistant. So be wary of that. If it is already available on your phone, you can just go ahead and enable that on the camera assistant. If you don't have it, with this update, you have got this optical quality zoom, the 2x crop zoom on the camera assistant now. The second feature is added the high resolution settings. Now we've got the brand new high resolution settings on camera assistant. It says adaptive pixel option is moved to high resolution settings. Added the upscale digital zoom option under high resolution settings. Now let's go back to the camera assistant application. As you can see, we have got this high resolution settings right here. Let me just tap on this. We have got the adaptive pixel, which reduces the noise in low light shots by combining multiple lower resolution frames into the final high resolution picture. You can enable these settings now under high resolution settings. And we have also got this new option called upscale digital zoom. If the resolution decreases due to zoom, upscale pictures back to the resolution you have selected, which means you will get better picture quality when you go beyond 10x optical zoom. This feature is going to upscale the resolution, so you will get a better resolution or the resolutions that you have set using this particular toggle or this particular feature. This is just great. Now let's move to the next one. We've got an all new distortion correction option, which is fantastic. Now let me just go back here. As you can see, we have got this all new option called distortion correction. It says automatically fix bowing or bending lines caused by lens and perspective distortion. Now distortion is something which is bound to happen when you take images or videos. So this particular feature, when you enable this, automatically it fixes that bowing or bending lines caused by the lens and perspective distortion. This is a very thoughtfully added feature now on camera assistant application. Now let's go back. you can see it says deleted capture speed option. It's now being moved to camera settings, advanced intelligent options, which means now we do not get to see capture speed option on the camera assistant app. This has already been integrated into the camera settings itself under advanced intelligent options. Now let me just open the camera app here. This is the default camera app. When I go to the settings, you can see we have got this advanced intelligent options here. I will just tap on this. Here you can see we have got the quality optimization, maximum, medium, which will speed up capture time by doing less optimization, and minimum takes picture as fast as possible by not optimizing pictures after they are taken. So now this capture speed has been integrated by default inside the camera application settings. Now let's go back. The fifth point says if you do not use the camera application for a long time, add a guide to the problem of not being able to enter camera assistant. The camera app was put in deep sleep to save battery. Remove it from your deep sleep applications in setting to use camera assistant. Now this is something basic. If you're not using the camera assistant or the camera application itself, the camera assistant app will go into deep sleep mode. So you will not be able to use this feature on the default camera app. So you'll have to go and disable the deep sleep mode for camera assistant module, or just open the application to wake it up. Then you can start using it on the default camera application. That's all it says in this changelog. As you can see, this is an all new version 2.0.00.0, and the update was received on, let me just check that. You can see 16th November 2023. So this is a brand new update with some brand new features on the camera assistant module. I would suggest you to go ahead and check this out, but currently this is not available on all the devices. I've checked it on the S22 Ultra. There are a couple of features like high resolution settings, distortion correction, as well as the optical quality crop zoom. 2x crop zoom is not available on the S22 series. I don't see that option on the S22 Ultra here, so you may not be able to find these features on your device. Be wary of that, but in the future updates you may be able to see these features maybe very soon, so stay tuned for that. I'll keep you guys posted as soon as we get these features on the S22 Ultra. As you see, the supported model, all these models have been supported for these new features, so in the future updates we should be able to get these features on the S22 and other phones as well, but for now you may not be able to find these features. That's all I want to share with you guys. Let me know what do you think about these features. Do check it out on your phone, whether it is available or not. Drop a comment. Do mention your model number and also mention which country are you commenting from. That would be interesting to know. That's about it. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in this particular wallpaper, go ahead and check the link in the description. I post a brand new wallpaper on every video that I post, so you can check out all my previous videos to download some brand new wallpapers. Of course, the credit goes to these wallpaper designers. Go ahead, check them out and download them and apply it on your home screen to make it look beautiful. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.